Disabling Safe Search in Chrome. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video. In this one, I'll show you how to turn off Safe Search in Google Chrome. Enjoy these kinds of videos? We've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful content for you. Leo, what's Safe Search? It's a Google tool that filters adult content for safer browsing, especially for kids. If you need broader access or find it's filtering too much, you can turn it off anytime. Let's open up the Google Chrome app. Click the three dots up top, then hit Settings. In Settings, folks, click on Privacy and Security. In Privacy and Security, scroll down to Security and find the Safe Browsing option. Click this option for three choices: Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, and Not Recommended, No Protection. The last option doesn't protect against dangerous sites, downloads, or extensions. Your safe browsing settings in other Google products won't change. To disable it, click the last option. It warns that safe browsing protects you from deceptive sites. Use caution only if you're absolutely sure about the site you're visiting. To confirm, just click Deactivate. Go back, click up top, then click Secure DNS below. You need to disable this option too. Just click the top to deactivate. Remember, support the channel by clicking Thanks and contribute any amount. Did you manage it? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.